Welcome. Today I want to show you a few camera tricks for TCL 30 SE. So the first, we are going to start from the photo mode. We are on the auto mode, as you can see, and you can quickly change the brightness level by moving the sun icon like that. So tap on the screen once, wait for the sun icon. When it's shown on the screen, like that, you can decrease or increase the brightness level on your photos. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen once. When you click in this place, you are able to change also the temperature and the colors. We got few different presets. As you can see, that's how the photo looks. And if you want to turn it off, just click here one more time and select this one to get for the original look on your photos. When you open this menu, you will be able to set the camera timer between 2 or 8 seconds. Let's select 5. Click on the shutter, and as you can see, after this time, the photo will be taken. And there it is. We can also enable touch to shot option. So right now when you click on the screen once, the photo will be taken. Also, you can use this fingerprint sensor on the back. When you click on it once, let me just find it, where it is, okay, right here. As you can see, when I tap on this fingerprint sensor, I can also take photos. And you can also use these volume buttons to take photos. So just click once and you can take photos. When you click and hold the shutter, you can take the series of the photo. The same when you click and hold the volume buttons. When you click right here, we are able to open more modes. For example, you can use the high pixel mode. Let's make small comparison. Right now, let's make it the same with the normal mode. Okay, so the first photo was taken with the normal mode, and it looks like that. Actually, not bad. We can spot a lot of details. But right now, we can change for this high pixel mode, and as you can see right here, we can spot a little bit more details. We can also zoom in definitely closer. So I think that's one of the most useful features that we can find on this TCL 30 SE. And when you open the settings, you can find other options, like for example the quick snap. So when you enable this option, and then when the screen is turned off, and when you double tap on the volume down button, whoops, you will feel vibration. Right now we can open the phone and take a look on the gallery. As you can see, we take a few photos. So yeah, that's cool that you can just lock your phone, press the volume button 2 times, and the screen is still turned off and you can take photos. That's pretty cool. And yeah, honestly, that's all for this TCL 30 SE. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.